Millions of UK drivers are about to be hit with a shocking new tax rule from the DVLA, and it could cost you hundreds of pounds more every year. Is your car on the list? Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal might completely change the way you drive and pay for your vehicle in 2025. First, the DVLA is introducing new tax bands based on emissions, and these are far stricter than before. If your car is petrol or diesel, especially older models registered before 2017, you might be paying significantly more. Some drivers are looking at increases of up to several £100s a year. And here's the kicker: the government is making this move as part of its push towards cleaner, greener transport, which means the gap between high-emission vehicles and electric cars is about to get even wider. But it doesn't stop there. From next year, hybrid drivers who were previously given generous discounts will also see their tax rates increase. Many people bought hybrids to save money and reduce emissions, but under the new rules, the DVLA says they will no longer qualify for as many exemptions. In other words, if you thought your hybrid was safe, you might be in for an unpleasant surprise. Now, what about electric vehicles? For years, EV drivers have celebrated zero road tax, but this is changing too. Starting April 2025, electric cars will begin paying vehicle excise duty for the first time. It won't be as high as petrol or diesel vehicles at first, but make no mistake, the days of free motoring for EVs are over. That means even if you've just invested in a brand new Tesla, Nissan Leaf, or any other electric model, you'll soon have to start budgeting for tax as well. Another major update relates to penalties. The DVLA has warned that failure to pay the new tax amounts on time will result in harsher fines. Automatic number plate recognition cameras are being rolled out more aggressively to catch untaxed vehicles. That means the old excuse of forgetting to renew won't fly anymore. In fact, even being just a few days late could see your car clamped or seized. And here's something many drivers don't realize: the DVLA is also tightening up rules for direct debit payments. If a payment fails, you could be hit with penalties instantly rather than receiving a grace period. That's why experts are urging everyone to double-check their bank details and make sure they're set up correctly before the changes fully kick in. So, who exactly is affected? The truth is, almost everyone. Whether you're a daily commuter, a family car owner, a tradesperson with a van, or even someone who uses their vehicle only occasionally, the new DVLA rules mean your costs are going to change. And for many, those costs are going up. Critics argue that these tax changes will hit working-class drivers the hardest, especially those who rely on older vehicles because they can't afford the switch to newer models or EVs. On the other hand, supporters of the policy say it's a necessary step to reduce emissions and encourage people to switch to greener alternatives. What's clear is that this isn't just a small tweak, it's a fundamental shift in how drivers in the UK will be taxed moving forward. Millions are already checking the DVLA website to see how their specific vehicle will be affected, and financial experts are urging people not to wait until their renewal date but to start planning now. So, here's the bottom line: if you're a UK driver, don't ignore this update. Check your vehicle's tax band, see how much extra you'll need to pay, and be prepared for the upcoming changes. Otherwise, you could face unexpected costs, fines, or even losing access to your vehicle. This DVLA tax shock is real, it's happening now, and it's going to affect millions.